Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 25th day of August 2025. We're going to visit our old friend, the strong candle indicator, available only at Samurai Day Trading. And wherever it says to trade, we're going to put the trade on and let it go. You can see all these strong candle indicators all paid. We could have taken any of these, but this was once our session started. So our session didn't start till over here. And so this particular one carried a lot of risk. So we're going to wait for smaller ones. And we decided on these. This one right here. We've had a nice little retrace. The market was very, very slow today. I only expect the next candle to be between 30 and 50 ticks, really between 30 and 40 ticks. So we're going to drop down our ATM to coincide with the volatility of the market. We're only going to be going for 11s, 21s, and 41s on our way down. We'll de-risk the trade once our first target's been hit, and then we'll go for our longer targets, as we always do. So we've got a little bit of a retrace right here. So we're going to go ahead and put our trade on the body of the candle. And this is what happened in the room today. Boom. Well, got it all taken out. Stops where it belongs, two candles behind. And we'll just let it play out. Again, it was very, very slow today for most of the day. But here we go. As soon as our first target gets taken out, we're going to de-risk the trade. Getting onto it, nothing too exciting yet. This is 2 times the market speed. So the market speed was even slower than this. We can go ahead and make it 4 times market speed. That should probably be better. We don't want to be here all day. Just want to show you what happened in the LTR today. And boom, first two targets were taken out. Again, I sped it up. Once the first targets were hit, we went ahead and de-risked it. So we went to a -9 position. And first two targets are out. The last one takes a little bit longer. 10, 20, 30, 40 tick target here. Even if it does come back and takes us out at the right now, it's still going to be a positive trade. We're only at -9. We were already 40 ticks into profit. So -9 is not going to hurt us. We'll give the market a little bit room to maneuver. And I think this actually goes into the next candle before it actually pays. There we go. Boom. All right, that took just over 5 minutes to complete, and that trade right there was worth 435 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 435 US dollars in about 5 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com, where you can find some very unique indicators, which are very helping people be very successful in their trading. SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's all for today. We'll see you next time. God bless you and have a great day.